How to quickly reset and customize iPhone control center. In case you want to customize iPhone control center on your device, tap on settings button, then tap on general, then scroll down to the base of this page guys. Tap on this button that says transfer and reset iPhone, then tap on reset button. Here tap on reset all. Now it comes up like this. Provide your passcode if it requires your passcode or your face ID. Then if you have screen time passcode guys, provide your screen time passcode as well. Now tap on reset all. Then it comes up like this. Then tap on reset all again. So doing this guys, your phone will set all setting, thereby it will now reset all your control panel settings, then be able to add more to it by tapping on this plus button and customize by adding this, thereby customize your control center again on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.